I'm teaching a freaking class, okay? I'm teaching a class. I know I'm too young, but it's okay. Oh yeah? Yes, I'm sure no making you suffer today. Well, what are we learning today? Math. Math. Oh yeah, I'm gonna make it so strict, guys. Yeah, I'm gonna make it so strict. I'm Mr. GKD. I'm Mr. GKD. Alright, for first question. Okay, for first question. 1 take away 6 equals 1 take away 6 equals. You look like what? What you say? What you say? What you say, bro? What you say? What you say, my boy? What you say, my boy? Nah. Come here now. Come here now. You're going to the detention room. Come here now. Now, boy. Now. Oh my god, I'm getting stuck. Go in there. Yeah, you better suffer right there, boy. Do I have to? Yes. Yes, boy. Yeah. Go in there. Go. You're halfway always for IDC. IDC. Oh. Oh, come here, boy. Come here. Oh, no. Oh, hell no. Run. Yes, fine. You go back, boy. You go back there. I'm blocking this so you can't escape now. I'm too evil, boy. I'm too evil. She can't escape me, bro. She can't escape me. Okay, back into lesson. Back. Let's learn our 5 times tables. Let's learn our 5 times tables. Yes, sir. So, what should I say? So, what is 5? Wait, no. 5 times. Let's say 2. Equal. What is 5 times 2 equal? Huh? Who knows it? 10. You. Oh, warning. No. Warning. Alright. Let's continue. Our 5 tables are new to us. Our 5 times table are new to us. What? Felt sick? He felt sick? No way, he's sick. Where did he go? Never mind, don't look at that room. Where did he go? Where is he? Where is he? Oh, hell no, he's gonna get detention without asking me. Oh, so we lost one dumbbells. I meant dummy, don't, IDC. We'll go back. Oak, back into lesson. Back into lesson. KKK. So 5. There we know. 4 could be answered by counting in your fingers. Imagine each finger is a 5. Imagine each finger is not a 5, not a 5. 5. And you put them together. How many? Yes. You will have 4 fingers. And you put... Oh, okay. His arc. "36 timer. Hey, what is it? Oh no! Wait. I wouldn't prank so bad. No, he's so dumb. That's what you get for. That's what you get for escaping. Let's continue. So now 5 times 6 would be. Imagine there was 5 apples. Mine there was 5 apples. Wait, let me do something real quick. Wait. I'm in a thick of it, everybody knows. Come now. Come now, boy, or you're getting detention. Or you dead. No, wait, F minus. Or you get F minus, yeah. You didn't care. You didn't tell me, boy. You didn't tell me. Oh, hell no. Get up, boys! Get up! Get up now! Get up now! Yeah. Yeah. Back into lesson. Who did that? Who did that? There's a new student coming. Okay. Hey. Okay, a new student. Who is the new student? Who is the new? Ian. Hi, new student. Come take seat. Come take seat. You're late. You're late. I'm Mr. No, GKD. I'm Mr. GKD. Right. If you had 5 apples and they do time them by 6, so then you will have 5 trays of apples in group of 6. So you have 5 rows of apples in groups of 6. Correct. Correct. I see you. I see you. Warning too. Back into lesson, boy. Back into lesson, boy. Okay, what should I say, guys? Oak. Do you think oak's okay? Okay, never mind. Now let's divide. Someone tell me what divide means. Someone tell me what divide means. I know. What? It's a sharing. Correct. So now, what would be 5? Where is that? Divided by? No, it will be 30. No, wait. If 5 times 5 equals 35, then what would be in division? What will be it in division? It was to test you. I know, it was to test you. Okay. Yeah. Oh, who said that? No, you're not. Let me check. No, you're not. Let me show you. Come now. Sit in toilet. Sit in toilet. Sit in toilet, bro. Sit in toilet. Sit in toilet. Now. Now. I shame. He don't. He don't. I showed you. Don't be dumb. Go into toilet, boy. Go into toilet. Now. Oh. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. You are coming with me. You are coming with me. Sit in the toilet, boy. Sit in the toilet now. For that's your detention. That's your detention. Ew. Now. Sit. Now. Sit. Now. Now sit. Come back, boy. Come back, boy. Come back. Come back. Oh. Oh. Go into my chat. That wasn't me. Okay. Okay. Let's learn history. Let's learn his history. Not his history. History. Let's learn history. When did Leonardo da Vinci paint? No. What? Who painted the Mona Lisa? Who painted the Mona Lisa? Leonardo da Vinci or Van Gogh? No. Leonardo da Vinci or Van Gogh? Van Gogh? Nope. Correct. Yeah, I meant to say correct, boy. Correct. Clap for him. Clap for him. You've been such a great student. You have been such a great student. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Come with me. Go. Go! I say go. Go! In. Go in. Take. Back into lesson. Back into lesson. When did I meant to say that. The Titanic. When did the Titanic crashed into an iceberg? When did the Titanic crash into an iceberg? Yeah. Answer, boy. Answer. Wait, let me get him out. Oh, let me get him out. Tiny student. Tiny student. Tiny student. Take a seat. Take a seat. Take a seat. No. Get out! Oh no! Nah! Nah, they just made me die, bro. Oh, yours blocked the wall. Who? Oh hell no, he's going to detention so bad. He's going to detention so oh hell no. 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 Gee. Get out of my seat. Get out of my seat. Now, or I dunk your head into toilet. Or I dunk your head into toilet. Wait, what did he say? The word smallest Iceland really needs an audience, so if I do not find somebody rings and hell no. Into the toilet. Let's go back into history. Go back into history. How much did the ancient when did the ancient Egypt last for? Yeah, how much did the ancient Egypt? No. Class is not over. Class is not over. The toilet. Oik. Go to toilet. Go to the toilet. Yeah, go to the toilet. You. Wait. You have a gun. You have a gun. Call the cops, boy. Call the cops. Call the cops. Okay. No way he fell into the toilet. No way he fell. Alright. Let's go into English. Let's go into English. Write down in book a paragraph about a book. Down in your book a paragraph about a book. Yeah. Write down a paragraph about a book. Sir, what? What happened? Whoa. Hurry up, bro. Hurry up, bro. 2 minutes. 2 minutes till class is over. 2 minutes and hurry up, bro. Oh my god, I spelled 2 so bad. Till class is over. Let's go. Class is not yet over. Class is not yet over. Class is not yet over. Write down paragraph. Write down paragraph now. Okay, back. Write down a paragraph. Do it. I don't know. Whoever finish first, we go in fun room. Whoever gets to go in fun room. No, he fell. Whoever finished first gets to go into fun room. I guess first. I guess he finished first. Alright, guys, come here, line up for your sheets. Alright, guys, come up, line up here for your sheets. Alright, guys, line up for here for your sheets. Now. Alright. G. A. He got it. A. F. E. G. C. C got a C. Next in line. Next in line. G got a B. She got a B. Yeah. She got a B. Yo, chill, bro. Chill. Chill, yo, bro. Chill. Okay, guys, come down here. Okay, guys, come down here. The is nearly over. The vid is nearly over. Guys, wait. Guys, say bye. Guys, say bye. 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 Bye, guys. Bye. Bye. See you next vid.